Hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm coming to y'all with a Whole Foods small grocery haul. So I went to Whole Foods today to get me some vegetables for this week because I didn't have any. And so I got some broccoli stir fry. I got 2 of these. They were, how much were they? I think $6.99. each. Let me see. Okay, so these was $5.99 each. I got 2 of them. The Brussels sprouts, I do like the shave or shredded because you don't have to go in and clean them and cut them up. It's already done for you. So also Sprouts has one that I buy as well, and these were $2.99 each. Should have got the third one. Yeah, these were $2.99 each. And then the green beans were $4.99. And then I have the acai powder, and I wanted to try this pomegranate powder by Sun Foods. This was $14.99. Yeah, this was $14.99. Right here, so I add these to my smoothies, yogurt, you know. Then I got these electrolytes, as I keep hearing people talk about, you know, the electrolytes, you know, when you work out and you sweat, and normally I just drink water, but I wanted to try some and kind of see what benefit it'll have. So I got this Ultima Replenisher and grape. I never tried any of these before. I got the 365 brand and raspberry. Then I got another lemonade in Ultima. And then I got this one, liquid IV hydration multiplier and acai berry. And I got these at Whole Foods as well. So I'll be trying these. I'm gonna get back to working out tomorrow. I think 2 weeks is enough. I'm feeling much better, not as tired and dragging as I was. So for all of this, I paid $44.63 for 2 vegetables, all of this right here was $44.63. I don't go to Whole Foods too much because they expensive and you walk out of there with hardly nothing and $200 later. So I try not to go there. But some of my keto girls, you know, was showing some things that they go there for. I normally stick to Sprouts for my stuff. Plus, it's close. I don't have a Whole Foods close to me. And then I got this in yesterday. And so I was using the pills. I can't do them pills twice. I already done choked on it. Thought I was going to have my daughter do the high maneuver on me. But I went to powder. And I've seen ladies put this in their coffee, or you can put it in your smoothies. So, and it's unflavored. So yeah, I'm gonna go the powder route on this, and a lot of the ladies love this. The Equip Collagen or the Perfect Keto. I heard it was the same company, Perfect Keto and Equip. I think the Perfect Keto has MCT oil in it, and it is more expensive, and this one does not. I already have MCT oil. Coconut oil I have too, so I don't need to buy one with MCT oil in it. And so yeah, I haven't tried this yet. Maybe something I'll try today in a smoothie. I'm not sure. I'll see. And I'll let y'all know how I like it. So yeah, this is my Whole Foods right here. And then I ordered this from Equip. It was shipped pretty quickly. So I also went shopping and got me some little self-care items. This is from the Body Shop. And I just went and got me a dry brush. I'm going to start dry brushing. And this one, the bristles are very soft. I believe this was $12 from the Body Shop. This is a exfoliator sponge. She said this was their most popular. and it's made with recycled milk cartons, and it's not harsh at all. I can't use stuff that's too harsh because it'll scratch me. So I got this, and this was $5. I'm trying to think what this was. $6? No, $5. I think this was $5. And then I got this face exfoliator. It's more of a gentle exfoliation instead of a harsh. And I believe this was $6. Yep. And this is from the Body Shop. So all for this, I paid $24.80 with tax. And then I went to Vera Bradley outlet. I saw they had some masks, a couple of YouTube videos, and I like Vera Bradley. I like her prints. And these masks are $8. I was able to get them at the store. It does have a opening for the filters somewhere, right here, which I do have some filters I bought the other day. And then I got this one, and these are both $8 plus tax. I paid $17 and some change. You can go to the regular Vera Bradley or order online for all of the masks that they have. And then I got this one from Sprouts. It's their it's called mask something. They have different patterns, plain, the ones with the round circle vents on them. They do have the opening for the filters right here, and it's okay. It's pretty cool. I was also able to get some filters too from Sprouts. So everybody is starting to sell these things, and they have different colors, patterns, plain, you know. And I think this was like $7, $8 as well from Sprouts. So if you have a Sprouts, they should be selling masks as well. So these are this my little grocery haul and food from Whole Foods. Y'all have a good weekend, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday. I'm back. I'm just about to break my fast. It's 8:41. I have here my chicken bone broth. It's 9 ounces that I'm gonna break my fast with, and then probably about 10 o'clock, 10:30 or so, I'm gonna go and fix my dinner. And that is gonna be some lamb chop steaks and some green beans. And then, you know, my little olives and all that mess. Y'all know I'm doing the total 20 carbs total challenge, which is a challenge. But I'm gonna stick to it. I fell off yesterday, but I'm back on, and I fasted for a long time today. This is my vitamin C supplement, and then my Puriform apple cider vinegar pill, and my vitamin D pill. And I just took the last one tonight, and I should have ordered more, and I didn't. Well, I gotta order more. But anywho's, I will be back just showing y'all what I'm breaking my fast with. I already gave y'all my recipe, and this is Keto and Fire chicken bone broth, and I add to it, you know, so, and then I put it in the blender, so that's why it's frothy like that. But I'll be back. Good evening, good evening. It is 10:51 p.m. Sunday night, the 16th of August, and I'm sitting down to eat dinner. And I came to the realization that I need to start measuring like everything on my scale, because I thought I've been doing this for long enough to where I could just eyeball it, but that's not the truth. And I came to that conclusion when I put in on my Fitness Pal, I was having 1.5 cups of green beans. So some just told me to measure them out on my scale. And if I had it done 1.5 cups according to the scale, I would have probably had to eat the whole bag of green beans. So basically what you see here, the green beans is 5 ounces of green beans. 5 ounces, yeah. And it ain't even a cup. 8 ounces is a cup. So yeah, that's 5 ounces. I had 4 ounces for my lamb chop steak here, and this was 7 ounces. So yeah, I gotta start measuring like every little thing that I'm putting in, you know, for to eat. I'm doing this not going over 20 carbs challenge. It don't seem to be working out for me, but it's working out for me because it's making me aware of just how many carbs I'm really eating and measuring things out and just being like, oh, okay, I'm not over this, I'm not over that. And then probably eating more of everything than I actually thought I was. So, so I have my lamb chop. I got a little salad that was left over that my kids didn't eat, and my green beans. And then over here I have 4 ounces of peaches, my 6 olives. And then right here I have my little drinky drink. This is San Pellegrino sparkling water. I put a little lemon wedge in here, and this is cranberry juice, 3 ounces of cranberry juice. Yes, I weighed it out. This is the 5-calorie, no sugar added. I think it's Langer's cranberry juice. So it's basically 3 ounces is 1/3 of a cup. It was basically 2 calories and 0.08 carbs and 0.4 grams of sugar in that. So basically nothing. Hence the little cup. I didn't want to. I filled up most of the cup with the sparkling water. So basically, just to give you a breakdown right here, because I did everything. So my total carbs with everything you see on my plate, plus my Keto and Fire chicken bone broth, I have 31 total carbs. So I'm like 11 grams over. But if you want to go net, it's 22 net carbs, which is not bad. My fat grams for today is 56 grams. My protein is 58 grams. I grossly under ate today. I just have to sit back and figure out tomorrow what can I do, because I'm starting back to work out, to bring up my calories. I like to at least have 1,000 calories, and what I ate today only totaled out to 846 calories, and that's with everything that I've eaten today. My chicken bone broth mix, everything that you see right here for dinner, is only totaling 846 calories. So yeah, I need to bring that up. I can't undereat, and especially when I'm working out. But I gotta try to do it so where my carb is kind of staying low. I at least want to try to get or stick to 20 or close to 20 as possible. So my peaches was 44 calories. My dinner was 647 calories, and my bone broth mix was 155 calories. So that is my nutrition breakdown for today. Yeah, I need to get my calories up, but trying to stick with, you know, not under eating, but trying to stick with keeping my carbs really low, you know, because I do want to try and succeed at this total carbs thing and see what it does for me. So yeah, just being mindful of how much I'm eating of certain things. So I will see y'all Monday. This is dinner. Peace. Y'all have a good night.